Welcome to this gentle meditation. This time is just for you. You don't need to be an expert in meditation. You don't need to sit perfectly or quiet your mind completely. You've arrived here, and that's enough. So let's begin by getting comfortable. You can sit or lie down. If you're sitting, rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. Allow your shoulders to relax and gently drop away from your ears. If you're lying down, let your arms rest naturally by your sides, palms facing up if that feels comfortable. Let your legs gently fall open. There's no wrong way to do this. Close your eyes if that feels okay. If not, simply lower your gaze and soften your focus. Let's take a deep breath in together and a slow breath out. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Feel your body settle a little more with each breath. This is your moment to release, to unwind. You don't have to fix anything. You don't have to perform. You're allowed to just be. Let's bring your attention gently to your body. We'll do a short body scan to help release tension and guide the mind into stillness. Start by noticing the top of your head. Imagine a wave of calm slowly moving down from the crown of your head, softening your scalp, your forehead. Relax your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Let your tongue rest naturally in your mouth. There's nothing to say, nothing to explain. Feel that wave of calm now move down your neck and shoulders. Let your shoulders drop just a little more. Let them be heavy. Let go of the weight of the day. Bring your awareness to your arms, elbows, wrists, and fingers. Notice any tension and imagine it gently melting away with each breath. Now shift your focus to your chest. Notice how it rises and falls with your breathing. You don't need to control the breath, just notice it. Let it be slow, natural, grounding. Feel the calm now settling into your stomach. Let go of any tightness you might be holding there. It's safe to relax. You are supported. Now bring your attention to your hips, your legs, your knees, your calves, ankles, and feet. Feel the weight of your body grounded and at ease. With every breath, you are softening. With every breath, you are letting go. Now that your body has begun to relax, let's gently turn toward the mind. You might still have thoughts running through your head, and that's okay. The goal here is not to stop thinking, it's to become aware. Picture each thought as a cloud drifting through the sky. You don't need to chase it. You don't need to push it away. Just watch it come and go. As thoughts arise, simply return to your breath. Inhale, exhale. Your breath is your anchor, always here, always now. Let's sit in this quiet space for a while. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back into the room. Notice the surface beneath you, how it supports your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Roll your shoulders. Stretch if that feels good. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Before you move on with your evening, take a moment to appreciate yourself. You've just given yourself a small but powerful gift, time to slow down, to listen inward, to breathe. You don't need to carry the whole world tonight. Let it rest, and let yourself rest too. Thank you for being here. Be gentle with yourself. Goodbye.